15 stars. I booked the afternoon class thinking there'd be a market tour, but there wasn't one. When I reflected this to instructor Chan, they took steps to change their Klook info. In recovery, they asked if I wanted to make som tam, and of course I said yes. The class went very fast since I was the only one. Even with 5 dishes, I ended at 4 p.m., including the time that I ate the last 2 dishes very slowly. I packed the som tam and 1 portion of the mango sticky rice back home because I just couldn't eat anymore. The whole experience was really wonderful and super fun. Service was perfect. One of the best cooking class I have attended to. Nam is very informative, patient and funny. Although it was raining very hard when we went to the market, it still didn't dampen her spirit. Would highly recommend to my family and friends when they visit Bangkok. I loved participating in this cooking class. The atmosphere was both relaxed and very fun, which made the experience even more enjoyable. We prepared 4 delicious dishes, with clear and accessible explanations. The teacher was truly amazing, passionate, patient, and always in a good mood. I highly recommend this class to any. This is my second time doing this. First time was a morning class, which I highly recommend because it includes going to the market to get ingredients. The evening class doesn't include that, but still really fun. All the 4 meals were so good. Must try when you visit Bangkok. Teacher Choran is very enthusiastic and has a very bubbly personality. She made the class very entertaining. You'll enjoy learning and eating. Romantic face emoji, smiley face emoji. The school is very clean and the staff are very polite. This is a must-do in Bangkok. The market tour was very similar to the Korean market. I participated with my 10-year-old daughter, and the explanations were fun and easy for children to follow. The Tingly cooking class is also large in scale, so you can cook in several groups. Cho, who led us, was so cheerful and kind. I was lucky. Super recommendable. Such a great experience. The guide was nice and knowledgeable. Market tour was included and the food is superb. Make sure to go to class hungry because you'll make so many delicious dishes and it'll make you very full. Our Thai instructor Chan was fun and helpful. We were a family of 12 and the kids and adults had a lot of fun. Everything was well prepared, clean and fresh. It was a super worth it and memorable experience. One of the highlights of our BKK trip. The food we made were super good. We love Nam. Very attentive to each one of us in class. Answers all our questions and does not rush us. Thank you Nam for the super fun and engaging cooking class. As promised, I'm so glad to have taken the class. Fun and interactive course, create your own food while meeting other students from around the world. If you have the time, I highly recommend. Just remember to come with an empty stomach and enjoy your own creation. Fantastic cooking class, host was welcoming and entertaining. The market tour was good but the group was large and made it difficult to hear. Food was lovely and class was very easy with things pre-measured. Class started on time. Loved exploring the local market and taking note of the ingredients for our cooking. Learned a lot through cooking different kinds of Thai dishes. Our teacher Chan is fun and lovely. She makes sure that no one is left out in her class. Best activity to start my Bangkok vacation. Our instructor Pnam was very kind and funny. Really enjoyed this 3-hour activity. Make sure to come in hungry because you will leave full and satisfied. Would definitely recommend to family and friends. Cap Kun.